Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentation. My name is DURSUN Akaslan, an associate professor in the Department of Software Engineering in Harran University. Today I'm going to present my work called Designing and Implementing Artificial Intelligence Supported Virtual Fitting Room. Let me start. The desire of people to touch the product, try that product, or see the real dimension of the product affects shopping. A fitting or dressing room is used to meet these desires of people in shops. A fitting room is described as a room or area in a shop center where people can put on clothes to check that they fit before they purchase them. A virtual fitting room might bring great opportunities to online shopping by enabling people to virtually try on clothes. This is the most important desire of the people who purchase items online. But because in Turkey, the first 50% of people uh, purchase something by using the online shopping centers. But when they try to see the dimensions of anything, any items, or when they try to that product, they are looking for to visit a real shopping center instead of buying online because they want to see the real dimensions and they want to try it. That really impacts the shoppings. Therefore, the purpose of this paper is to design and implement an artificial intelligence supported virtual fitting room. We will use artificial intelligent models and virtual reality to create a virtual fitting room. We will follow three stages. An artificial intelligence supported virtual fitting room can be designed and implemented first by modeling items, second by detecting key points of human body, and third by matching key points with clothes. Modeling items is the most important part of this virtual fitting room because there are many items such as short treasures that people wear on their bodies. These items should be modeled by using a 3D program like a 3GS or Blender or something like that. But we choose to use 3GS because items we use in real life is not complicated like a human body. For example, it is easy to model and textures a treasure and shirt and shoes and hat, something like that. We use 3GS library because uh, this library is only just 1 kilobyte. When the number of the item increase in the 3D environment, we will not deal with that the lack of broadband or internet slow problem. That's why we choose. But people also can use Blender or 3ds Max to model the items. Second, we need to detect the key points of human body because if a customer try to own clothes, first of all, we should match the key points of the clothes with the key points of the human body, like elbow. I have to match this my elbow with the elbow part of the clothes, like treasures. We focus on the three models. The first one, the face mark landmark detection model, because we need to detect the nose, eye, ear of human body because if human is trying to own sunglasses, first of all, we have to detect the eye and ear of human. The second model we used, body pose detection, because we focus on the key points of the arms, body, and face, because when we wear any treasures, we need to focus on the body parts, like elbow, like wrist, like shoulders, because we will match the key points of the any clothes with these key points of the human. Also, we focus on the hand pose detection model, because maybe we some people want to try long arm treasures, or like a glove, something that we focus on it. And then we need to matching the key points with the clothes part. For this, we need to uh, label all the key points of the clothes and match the with the key points of the human body. That because of this reason, the key points of the people's body with virtual clothes are matched with clothes by using the React library. Because by using the React library, we created a interface. Because by using the interface, not only matching the key points with the clothes, also we can change the color or size or dimension of the treasures or sunglasses or shoes or something like that. Now we focus on now we still continue creating the items and matching the. This is just example taken from the internet. By the virtual fitting room, people can view the clothing animation, but in here the human model is not real. But in our case, we will use the camera of the people, because by using the camera or webcam USB camera, people can just try any clothes in front of the camera. If they think this clothes fits, they can maybe go to the next step, purchasing. We develop two strategies. We can model the own items, or we can use any items created by any companies. We just will focus on the second and third steps. Now we will try to create some specific items like treasure, but there are dozens of type of treasures. We will, but we will create the template. But if anyone try to add their own treasure, our system will just match the key points of the clothes with the key points of the people. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. This study is still going on, because we need to create many different items for people choice. If you have any questions, or if you want to help this study, this is my email. Please don't hesitate to contact me.